Let us learn how to evaluate linear expressions by substitution. Here we're going to understand how to interpret linear expressions, and then we're going to look at the steps, and then also we're going to walk through some examples. So linear expression, when you say 6x, it just means you're multiplying 6 by the variable x. When you have minus 3y, it means you're multiplying minus 3 by the variable y. Now let's look at how we can interpret this. So what we have here is 4 multiplied by x and then add 2 to the result. In this case, we have minus 3 multiplied by y, and then we're going to have 5 multiplied by x, and then we add the results together. So how do we evaluate linear expressions by substitution? The first thing we're going to do is to rewrite the expression using this interpretation, and then we're going to replace variables with given values and then evaluate. Just solve the resulting equation or computation that results. So what is the value of 5x when x equal to 3? So we have to remember that 5x is the same as 5 multiplied by x. Sometimes you can write that as 5 and then you put the x in parentheses. And so that's an approach that is good. So whatever is in the parentheses is what you're going to replace with the value. So if x equal to 3, therefore 5x equal to 5 multiplied by 3, which is 15. What is the value of minus 8y when y equal to negative 4? So minus 8y is the same as minus 8 multiplied by y. So y equal to negative 4, then negative 8y is equal to negative 8 multiplied by negative 4, which is going to give you positive 32. So now we have 4x minus 2y, 4x minus 2y. Now we're going to rewrite this as 4 multiplied by x minus 2 multiplied by y. So x equal to 2, so we're going to replace x with 2 minus 2, y equal to negative 3. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 is plus 6. So this is going to give us 14. And finally, minus 3xy minus 5x. So minus 3xy minus 5x. This is the same as minus 3 multiplied by x multiplied by y minus 5 multiplied by x. So we have x equal to negative 1, so minus 3, negative 1, and then y is negative 4, okay, minus 5, x is negative 1. So minus 3 times minus 1, that is 3, times minus 4, minus 12, minus 5 multiplied by minus 1, this is plus 5. So this is going to give us negative 7.